Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to be doing some basic Excel formulas. So a formula is an equation that will do maths for you in this example. So as we can see here, I've got my total initial startup costs here, but I've also got my total yearly costs over here. And what I need to do is add them both up for my total for the first year. So this is my total cost for my business startup for the year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cell here, which is B18, and I'm going to add it to this cell here, which is F7. So in the cell where I want it to appear, I'm going to type equals B18 add F7. Press enter, and as you can see, it's automatically added it up. Now you might think, well, that's only just one equation, why wouldn't I do that manually? Well, imagine if this was a weekly thing that you had to do. So every week you had to do this kind of spreadsheet. Well, it would save a lot of time if you could have a formula to do all the math for you, and that's how it's done. Now if you click on the cell that you've done the formula in, the formula will appear in the bar at the top. So as you can see, it's equals B18 plus F7.